Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's question is, does outlet amperage matter? Well, of course it matters. Stick around and we'll show you what we've come up with. So we're just going to take the wire, gently pull down. The cord is pretty much melted together. So there we have our finished end with our... In your home, you have outlets that are certain size for a reason. A 15 amp receptacle, like you'd plug something normal into, a 20 amp receptacle, like you'd plug something on your counter to, a dryer receptacle, a welder receptacle, a stove receptacle. They all have different size wires and different size protection. You can't mix and match, and we'll show you. We set up a little demonstration. Now you can see here that we have 4 different circuits set up, just to show you what's what. There we have a 15 amp breaker. We have 15 amp wire going to a 15 amp outlet. This is what normally everyone has in their home and what everyone uses to plug into. Then we have a little heavier, a 20 amp outlet like you'd see on your counter with 20 amp wire and a 20 amp breaker. Then we go to our dryer wire, or what we call 10 gauge wire. It's on a 30 amp breaker for a 30 amp outlet. And then you go to your 50 amp, which is on 50 amp wire and a 50 amp breaker. In Canada, sometimes we use a 40. You can't mix and match these circuits. So you can't take, and trust me, we have seen this, you can't take a dryer receptacle and put it on a piece of 14 gauge wire. We've seen it on 14.3. It's just gonna trip it. This is protected at 15 amps. This is trying to pull 50. It's not gonna happen. It's gonna trip it. Likewise with any of the other circuits. If you take, a 50 amp receptacle and try to put it on the 30, it's gonna trip it. So you can't take a piece of dryer wire and feed your stove. It's just not gonna work. It's gonna trip it. This is the good side of it, because the overcurrent protection is protecting the circuit that you're trying to run. So you can't mix and match. They need to be rated for it. It's a certain reason why it's 50 amp for one, 30 amp for another, etc., etc. The problem being with that, and what we've seen in the past, is when someone tries to do this. Let's say this is a piece of 14.3 wire instead of 14.2. They put it on a 30 amp breaker and they try to run their dryer. Now, your dryer is trying to pull 30 amps, your breaker is allowing it to pull 30 amps, but your wire is only rated for 15. What's the wire do? It heats up and burns your house down. This is why amperage, outlet or receptacle amperage is important. You can't mix and match stuff. Now, there have been cases where we have taken larger wire, like for example dryer wire, and we've had it on a 15 amp breaker for a 15 amp circuit or even a 20 amp circuit. It comes down to the size of the overcurrent protection and the gauge of the wire itself. You can protect smaller receptacles, although it's not a good common practice. We don't do it unless we're in a jam. For example, a temporary service. We'll put 20 amp outlets on a 20 amp breaker, or even a 15 amp outlet on a 15 amp breaker, but we don't go the other way. We never get into a situation where we under protect the wire. The wire is what matters. The wire and the overcurrent is what matters. The receptacle, you're limited to what you can plug into that receptacle because of the configuration. Now, although I made that sound easy, it's important to use a certified electrician. Don't try to do the crappy electrical work yourself, and don't mix and match amperages. They're not compatible. They're designed a certain way for a reason. The amperage is what's pulled from the circuit to satisfy whatever you're trying to plug into it. The voltage is what pushes it through. So you want to make sure that when it's pulling through the circuit to satisfy what you've got plugged in, that it's the proper size. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more videos like this, click up here in the corner or come on over to the website where all our videos are organized in a nice searchable fashion. Don't forget, stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.